Well, our picture of the day comes from Warren Fault in Augusta County. Look at those sunflowers, of course, parched ground, certainly wanting rain. And we have our best prospects of rain that we've seen all summer with a tropical system that will impact the region for the late week. Let's talk about the here and now. Most of us are in the mid to some upper 80s. Made it up to 91 at the airport today. Valley Airport in Weir's Cave touched 93. It felt hotter, and yes, it was another scorcher of a day. We chase away the 90s now for the rest of the week. You can see some of the cloudiness building in. This is the satellite radar combination over the last several hours. We've just had a few tiny little pop and drop showers. Again, most of us dry here this afternoon. As we zoom in a little closer, you can see, again, most of the region is quiet. I do expect that'll be the case here for the next several hours, and really not expecting much tonight. Things will change tomorrow and certainly by the end of the week. Temperatures overnight pretty much in the muggy low 70s across the region with mostly cloudy skies. Most of us for Wednesday will see highs in the mid to upper 80s. So we chase away the 90s. Certainly more humidity is going to build in, and we could see those afternoon showers or storm. Obviously keeping our eyes on Debby. A flood watch is posted now for Buckingham and Fluvanna and Louisa counties. All the other counties will be added with time. If you live near small creeks and streams and other low-lying areas, certainly be mindful of your situation. And yes, we're looking at a good 2 to 4 inches of rain with locally higher amounts possible. There's the European model depiction across the immediate area. Here's the American GFS. That's a widespread rain, but it comes too quick, too fast, and then we run into some flooding issues, and hence that's why the flood watch is already posted for Thursday and Friday. Couple of players here that are kind of squeezing in on the mid-Atlantic. We have a cold front draped across the Ohio Valley, down across portions of Pennsylvania, New York. Some big storms for the Tri-Cities areas, back toward Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, Cleveland at this hour. And then to our south is Tropical Storm Debby, basically just east of Savannah. It's going to move back out that center of circulation over the Atlantic waters and then make a second landfall here near or just north of Charleston. And of course you get those bands of rain that are north and east of that center of circulation, and yes, you can have a spin up tornado or two. Some of the locations through Charleston and Point South have seen anywhere from 8 to 16 inches of rain. So right now it's barely moving 3 miles an hour, again drenching the southeast here in the low country. With time, that's going to move back out and then inland again. It'll start to accelerate with that front nearby. It'll be a remnant low when it passes near us or just west of Route 29 on Friday afternoon, but all that rain will be preceding the actual center of circulation, so that's why Thursday and Friday will be the worst of it for us. So in the low 70s tomorrow morning, again, a pop-up shower storm in the afternoon. With that much humidity, we could have some localized heavy downpours. But then look what happens as we get into Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon, and here comes the rain, and that will be heavy as these bands continue to circulate off to the north and west, and that takes us into Friday as well. Low 70s tonight, mostly cloudy. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. First alert weather days for Thursday and Friday, with the remnant moisture from Debby making its impact here across the mid-Atlantic. Will start to dry out as we head into Saturday and the weekend.
All right, thank you. Well, Virginia